Hi everybody, it's Evangelist Emma Garcia again, and today's message comes from 2 Kings 9, 1 through 3. Have you ever felt unqualified? Have you ever felt just like you know you're supposed to do something and you just it doesn't add up. It doesn't look like how everybody else expects it. Nobody understands the assignment that God has placed on your life. But it's big. And it's intimate and it's personal, so not everybody's meant to understand it. And I think when I think of that story, I think of like Joseph. Here he is sharing his dreams with his family, and it ends up making him in a pit. It sends him to prison. He goes from the pit to the prison to the palace. And, God gives him everything back, but he has to go through this hard situation, almost like a Job moment in his life, because he's going through all these trials and tribulations. Well, I want to talk about somebody else. Somebody that is anointed to do something pretty remarkable. And if this goes a little bit farther, it might be 2 videos, it might be 3. So just hang on for the ride. Then Elijah the prophet called one of the sons of the prophets and said to him, "Tie up your garments and take this flask of oil in your hand and go to Ramoth Gilead. And when you arrive, look there for Jehu, the son of Joshaphat, the son of Nimshi, and go in and have him rise from among his fellows and lead him in to an inner chamber. Then take the flask of oil and pour it on his head, and say, 'Thus says the Lord, I anoint you king over Israel.' Then open the door and flee. Do not linger." God gets the final say. Sometimes what we are, who we are called to be, isn't always loud. It's not always out there. It's so intimate. It's so personal. And it happens when no one else says. It happens because God says, "This is what I want." And it's up to us to say, "Yes, God, I receive that." God will keep coming back and back and back around. But at the end of the day, it's up to us. I pray you have a beautiful and blessed day.